Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do breakdance power moves. Power moves are the spectacular, acrobatic elements of breakdancing that demand significant strength and coordination. They are essential for showcasing your physical prowess and adding dynamic flair to your routine. We will cover foundational techniques and progression tips to help you master these impressive feats. Remember, safety and proper technique are paramount as you begin your journey into power moves. Let's start with the windmill, a fundamental power move. Begin by placing one hand down, pushing off, and rotating your body over your shoulder. Your legs should stay wide and straight, generating momentum as you spin. Aim for a smooth, continuous rotation, keeping your core engaged throughout the entire movement. Practice the entry and exit points separately before attempting the full spin, focusing on controlled transitions. Next, we'll explore the flare, a more advanced power move. Start by driving your hips and swinging one leg powerfully, then follow with the other. Your legs should remain straight and wide, sweeping in a continuous circular path. Support your body weight primarily on your hands and shoulders, maintaining a strong, arched back. Focus on generating consistent momentum and keeping your legs high for a clean, impressive rotation. Consistent practice is key to mastering power moves. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to drills and conditioning. Focus on building core strength, shoulder stability, and flexibility through targeted exercises. Always remember to warm up thoroughly before training and cool down afterwards to prevent injuries. Start with basic variations and gradually progress to more complex moves as your strength and technique improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.